Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM Python tutorial series, and we are discussing on APM driver or session initialization and creation approaches. As a part of this one, we are discussing approach 4, that is the single line option creation approach. Okay, so we'll see how exactly we can use this approach. Okay, so I'll quickly open the Visual Studio Code, and I had created a separate scripts for each and every approach. Till now we have covered the three different approaches here. So already have uploaded this code in the GitHub. Okay, and now we had to create the fourth script, that is the single line options approach. Okay, just create a new Python file and name this as single line options approach. Okay, so when you see the last three approaches, we have created a separate options, and then we are using these options for installation of the driver here. But in single line options approach, how we can able to define these capabilities and to initialize the APM driver. Okay, we'll see that one. So first of all, I write a comment and say this one has single line option creates approach over here, and just say this one, and then use the keyword from APM module. I want to import WebDriver, and from APM dot options dot Android. So we are using for Android. So I am using the APM options dot Android module, and I am importing the UI automator to options class here. Okay. Now we will not create the capabilities, that is the options separately. Directly write the capabilities in the APM WebDriver installation line only. We'll see how. Okay. First I say driver. There's a variable here. Just say WebDriver dot remote, and I have to use the connection string here. There is the HTTP colon forward slash 127.0.0.1 colon 4723, the port. And here if you see in three approaches, what we did, we have used the options here, and here we have written all the capabilities, platform name, automation name, and then we use these options in our remote method here. Okay, to install the WebDriver. This is for approach 1. In approach 2 also, what we did, we created a dictionary, the desired capability, and we have used the load capability method. And in third option, we have used the set capabilities. So here in the last three approaches, we are defining the capabilities separately, and then we are using these options in our remote method here to install the WebDriver. But here what we are doing, directly you can write here. Okay, and see, just okay, options equals, then you use UI automator to options dot, okay, load capability. Here I had to create the cap. I mean, I had defined a capability, and I had defined a capability in a dictionary type. Okay, so create a dictionary here, and then start the defining the capability. The first capability is platform name. Platform name, and what from name? We had to give the Android. We are working on Android, so I had to give the Android here. If you're working on iOS, you give the iOS, and then the automation name. Automation name. The automation name, we had to give UI automator 2. Okay. That's it. You see, here what I'm doing, here driver equal to webdriver.remote, and here I given the local host and the port, and options equal to UI automated to options dot load capabilities, and load capabilities I have provided the dictionary, and here I provided the capabilities name here. This is a platform name, Android, automation name, UI automated 2 here. Okay, this is known as the single line option creation or initialization. Okay, you can just say the initialization also. Initialization approach. Okay, so what we are doing directly, we are defining the capability in the line of code where we are initializing the WebDriver, Appium WebDriver here. Okay, so this is known as single line option creation here. Just depends why I'm explaining all these things is that when you see some code, they are written the code in this way. Okay, this is one of the approach to initialize the WebDriver, APM WebDriver here. Okay, if you like this video, so I request you just create this code and run in your system. If it is running fine or any issues you face, just update in the comment here. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like the subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. And in next video, we are going to discuss the fifth approach, that is by using the environment variables approach here. We'll see how exactly we do it here. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.